Embark on a botanical journey as we unravel the art of tinctures in this herbal-centric video. Rooted in the realm of natural wellness, our focus shifts to the fascinating world of herbal preparations. Join us as we delve into the basics of tinctures, understand their essence, and follow a beginner-friendly guide on crafting these herbal infusions. To sweeten the deal, we'll introduce some bonus easy beginner tinctures to ignite your passion for herbal concoctions. Demystifying tinctures. To kick off our herbal adventure, let's demystify tinctures. These concentrated herbal extracts offer a potent and convenient way to harness the therapeutic benefits of plants. Through a meticulous process of soaking plant material in a solvent, usually alcohol, we extract the active compounds, creating a powerful herbal elixir. Crucial components. Before we dive into the hands-on process, let's outline the key components needed for crafting tinctures. Quality dried herbs, a suitable solvent, alcohol, glycerin or vinegar, and glass jars with secure lids are the foundation. Understanding the properties of your chosen herbs enhances the efficacy of your herbal creations. Step-by-step crafting. Let's embark on a step-by-step journey to create your own herbal tinctures. A. Herb selection. Choose dried herbs with medicinal properties aligning with your well-being goals. For measure and prepare. Accurately measure the herbs and finely chop them to increase surface area. C. Jar placement. Transfer the herbs into a clean glass jar, filling it approximately halfway. For fresh herbs, you will need to fill the jar approximately 3/4 of the way. To introduce the solvent, pour the chosen solvent or menstruum over the herbs, ensuring complete submersion. Seal the jar tightly. Infusion period. Allow the mixture to infuse for 4 to 6 weeks, shaking the jar daily to aid extraction. Strain and store. After the infusion period, strain the liquid through a fine mesh or cheesecloth into a clean jar. Store the tincture in amber glass bottles away from direct sunlight. Bonus easy beginner tinctures. For those taking their first steps into herbal alchemy, here are 3 bonus easy beginner tincture recipes. Tea soothing lavender tincture. This versatile herb is celebrated for its calming and soothing effects, making it a popular choice for promoting relaxation, alleviating stress, and supporting restful sleep. The flowers are the part typically used for herbal medicine. B. Digestive mint tincture. Mint, with its refreshing and aromatic leaves, is renowned for its healing properties, offering digestive relief, soothing nausea, and providing a natural remedy for headaches, making it a versatile herb that promotes overall well-being. C. Sleep-inducing valerian tincture. Valerian, known for its potent and earthy roots, is celebrated for its calming and sedative properties. This herb has been traditionally used to alleviate anxiety, promote relaxation, and improve sleep quality, making it a valuable ally for those seeking natural remedies to combat stress and insomnia. The root of the valerian plant is the part used in herbal medicine. Simply add dried or fresh herbs to your jar. 1/2 full if dried, 3/4 full if fresh. Then pour in your preferred menstruum alcohol or glycerin. Follow the instructions for infusion, straining, and storing. In conclusion, the world of herbal tinctures opens a gateway to natural wellness. Crafting your own infusions adds a touch of botanical magic to your herbal knowledge. Whether you're a seasoned herbalist or a beginner, these bonus easy beginner tinctures offer a delightful starting point. Embrace the therapeutic potential of herbs and let the journey into the art of tinctures begin.